Okay, so Chad just stuck the tank with water detecting paste. We've got a little indication of free water on the bottom, about 1/4 of an inch. We use the water detecting paste, the ATG readings, and the sample in order to really assess the pound. So there's some water in the bottom of the tank, but there's also corrosion, some particulate contamination that is gumming up the probe. So the probe wasn't even reading the water. Now that we've kind of determined how the water's getting in and what the condition of the fuel is, we're starting by pumping the water off the bottom of the tank. This is going to go into a waste tote for disposal off-site. So we have 2 samples here from a 10,000 gallon diesel tank that has off-road diesel fuel in it. This sample was collected from the probe area at the tank bottom sample. This was actually collected from the top of the fuel column. So what this shows is the contamination, the water, the sludge that builds up in diesel fuel. It'll drop to the bottom of the tank over time. The fuel on top is perfectly clean and clear, but we've got several inches on the bottom that needs to be filtered. So we finished doing the bottom pump off of this tank. We got the free water off the bottom of the tank. Then we switched to filtering, where we're cycling the fuel through our particulate filters, our water coalescers and water absorbers, and then discharging it to the other end of the tank. Trying to really circulate, stir it up. We run it for a few hours now and stopped. We let the tank settle for a little bit. We go back, we do our confirmation sampling. This is the bottom of the tank now. All right, so now that we've cleaned all the particulate and water out of the fuel at the tank, what we do is change the dispenser filters, purge the lines, and get a final confirmation sample from the nozzle.